Today we are gonna learn to solve the 3x3. The 3x3 has 27 pieces and 54 stickers. With each of the pieces being either a corner, an edge, or a center. So there are 7 steps of solving a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. With each of the pieces being, the first step is to make a white cross. Like that, there's a white cross. You don't need to worry about the corners. The second step is to make the first layer, which is also not too hard. You just need one algorithm. The second step is to make the third step is to solve the second layer. And it's not too bad. Because you use the same algorithm as from the first layer. The third step is to solve the second layer. The fourth step is to solve a white cross, a yellow cross, using an algorithm. So you might have to memorize a lot here in this third layer. The white cross, the yellow cross, the yellow cross, right there. The fourth step is to align all of the edges. Right. All of the edges are just right here at their respective centers. The fourth step is to get the corners to be like that, or maybe they can also be like this. The fourth step is to get the corners to be like that. The corners are all in their right spots, whether they are solved or not. And the seventh step is to celebrate, because now we are going to solve the cube.